Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to connect the HyperX Cloud Wireless to NGENUITY software in 2026. So in order to do it, first of all, you need to open Microsoft Store on your PC. Then you just have to install this application which is called HyperX NGENUITY on your device. Now, once you have downloaded it, simply plug the USB wireless dongle into your PC and then turn on your headset. Just make sure that the headset is connected and working before opening NGENUITY. Now, you just have to open NGENUITY software and wait for a few seconds. Your headset should appear automatically on this particular dashboard. But if it doesn't, you can just simply reconnect the dongle and then you can restart the software. Now, once detected, you can check for any kind of firmware updates. If there is an update available, simply install it to ensure full compatibility and best performance. So, after selecting your headset inside NGENUITY, you will be able to adjust a lot of things. Like you will be able to adjust the 7.1 surround sound toggle, the audio EQ settings, and microphone volume and monitoring. Also, you will be able to basically make changes into these, and finally play the audio and open a game in order to test your settings. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.